Welcome to Shruti's online school, where we believe that learning should always be fun. Get your notebook, pen, pencil, eraser ready. Keep your mind focused and let's start learning. Hello everyone, we are going to solve exercise number 1.3 in which the first part says estimate each of the following using general rule. So here general rule says this number is 730. So here it is highest place value is hundreds. Second number is 998. The highest place value is 100. So we round off both the numbers to the nearest hundreds and then we solve it. So let's start 730. So here the nearest hundreds, when we round it off, it will be 700 because 30 is between 1 and 49. 998, when we round it off to the nearest hundreds, it will be 98 is bigger than 50 to 98. We take the nearest hundreds. So 998, the nearest will be 1000. So now when we add 700 and 1000, it gives us 1700. Second question given is 796. We have the biggest places, hundreds. So 796 we round off to the nearest hundreds. So nearest hundreds after 700, the nearest hundreds for 96 will be 800s. 314. So here the nearest hundreds will be 300 because 14 is between 1 and 49. So now when we round off 796 to the nearest hundreds, 800s. 314 to the nearest hundred, 300s. It will be 800 minus 300 is equal to 500. Then the next question is 12,904 plus 2,888. Here you will see the biggest place is 10,000. So here we round it off to the nearest thousands. So 12,904. 904 is between 500 and 999. So this will take us to 13,000. 2,888. Again 888, if you see, it is between 500 and 999. So the nearest thousand will be 3,000. So this, when we round off, 12,904 nearest thousand is 13,000. 2,888 nearest thousand is 3,000. So now when we add 13,000 and 3,000, we'll get 16,000. Then the next question, 28,292 minus 21,496. So here the highest place value is 10,000 and here also the highest place value is 10,000. We are going to round off both to the nearest thousands. So 292 is between 1 and 499. So 28,000 will be rounded off to the nearest thousand as 28,000. 496 is between 1 and 499. So this also 21,000 will be rounded off to the nearest thousand, that is 21,000. So here we get 28,000 minus 21,000. When we subtract in the rough column, we write from units. So you will get it as 7,000. They have asked us to make more 10 such examples. So here we have written 48 plus 49,730. Here you will see 48, the highest place is 10. So here we will round it off to the nearest tens. Here the highest place value is 10,000. We are going to round it off to the nearest thousands place. So 48, when you round off, you are going to get it as this number 8 is between 5 and 9. So it will be rounded off as 50 plus 49,730. When you see 730, it can be rounded off to the nearest thousand. So 49,000, the next nearest thousand is 50,000. When you add 50 with 50,000, you are going to get it as, you can add in the rough column from units place, or if you know directly also you can add. So it will give you as 50,050. The next example also is addition only. So here they have given 39 plus 9,537. So here 39, there are ones and tens. So the nearest tens will be, when we round it off, 9 to the nearest tens, 39, nearest tens is 40. 9,537, greatest place value is 1000. So we round it off to the nearest 1000. So 537 is between 500 and 999. So it will be rounded off to the nearest 1000. 9000 and the nearest 1000 is 10,000. So 39 will give you 40. 9,537 will give 10,000. So when you add 10,000 with 40, you are going to get it as 10,040. You can just add this in the rough column, but when you are doing it in the rough column, you need to write it units below units and tens below tens. You can get the answer. Now we proceed further with such more examples. Here they have given 41. Greatest places tens, 4 in tens place, so we will round it off to the nearest tens. So rounding off to the nearest tens, this is 1. 1 to 4, we round it off to the nearest 0, so that is 40. 847, here the greatest place is 100, so here we round it off to the nearest hundreds. 47, 1 to 49, we round it off to the nearest 0. So nearest 0 is 800. So here 41 is rounded off as 40. 847 is rounded off as 800. When you add 40 and 800, you will get it as 840. Then the fourth example is 52. So here one sentence. 5 is in tens place. Tens is the highest place, so we round it off to the nearest tens. 2 is between 1 and 9, so we round it off to the nearest 0, 50. 2,546, here the highest place is 1000. So we round it off to the nearest 1000. 546 is between 500 and 999. So this will be taken as to the nearest 1000. So it will be 3000. So here the nearest 10 is 50 and here the nearest 1000 is 3000. So you get it as 3050. Next example 64 plus 168. Okay, we have done so many addition examples. Now we do some subtraction example. But this we cannot subtract. So what we do is, we do it as 164 minus 68. So here 164, you will see the highest, greatest place is 100. So we round it off to the nearest 100. 64 is between 50 and 99. So it will be rounded off to the nearest 100. That is after 100, 200. And 68 can be rounded off to the nearest 10 as 70. Because 68, 69, 70. So here it will be nearest 100 of 164 will be 200 minus 68 nearest tens is 70. So when you subtract in rough column 200 minus 70, you will be getting it as 130. Then the next example. In the next example also what we are going to do is, we are going to do subtraction. So here you can see 3286. Greatest place is thousands, will round it off to the nearest thousand. So 286 is between 500 and 499. So here it will be rounded off to the nearest 0, that is 3000. 499 if you round off to the nearest 100, because 4 is in hundreds place. So 499 if you round it off to the nearest 100, you will get it as 500. So we are going to write it as 3000 minus 500. Okay, here we had learnt one more thing, that the numbers, we had learned one more thing when we are rounding off to the nearest hundreds. Yes, 499. So 4 is in hundreds place, so the nearest 100, when we see 99, the nearest hundreds is 500. So here we write as 3000 minus 500 is equal to 2500. You can do the subtraction in the rough column. Again here we are going to do subtraction because we have done a lot of addition sums. So we are going to do subtraction sums. Question is 7149 minus 805. 7 is in thousands place. We round it off to the nearest thousands. So 149 is between 1 and 499. So this will be rounded off to the nearest 0. So it will be 7,000. 805. 8 is in hundreds place, greatest place value. So we round it off to the nearest hundreds. 05 is going to be rounded off to the nearest 0. That will be 800 because it is between 1 and 90. So 7,149 nearest thousands is 7,000 minus 805 nearest 100 is 800. When we do subtraction in the rough column, we have to write from unit space so that there is no mistake. We cannot do 0 minus 8, we do borrowing, so we get it as 6,200. Then we have another question where we have to do, there we have written addition, but we do subtraction because we have done a lot of addition sums. So here 1 tens 100,000, 10,000, 10,000 will round off to the nearest thousands, and then 65,437, this also we round off to the nearest thousand. So if you compare 750, it is bigger than 500. So here we write it as the nearest thousand of 15,000 will be 16,000. Here 437 is smaller than 500, so we round it off to the nearest 0, that is 65,000. So here it will be this we are going to write it as, okay wait, here we'll write the question as 75,750. So here the nearest thousand will be 76,000. 750 is bigger than 500, so it will be 76,000 minus here the nearest thousand is 65,000, and then we do subtraction. 76,000 minus, we write from unit space so that we don't make mistakes. So here if we do maths logically, our work becomes very simple. It is as simple as a game. So when we do 76,000 minus 65,000, we get 11,000. Hello everyone. We are going to see some more examples of exercise 1.3 where we have to do rounding off of the numbers and find out the answers by general rule. So here in this question we have 6,404. So we will be rounding off this to the nearest thousands because the greatest place value is 1,000. And here in 2,546, here also will be rounding it off to the nearest thousand because the greatest place value is thousands. Let's start. So this will give nearest thousands will be 6,000 minus 2,546. When we round it off, this 546 is bigger than 500. So this will be rounded off as 3,000. So 6,000 minus 3,000 will give us 3,000. Then we have the next question where we have 9,590. So 590 is again bigger than 500. So here we'll go to the next thousand. So after 9, the next thousand is 10,000. 870 when we round it off to the nearest 100 because the greatest place value is 800. So here when we round it off to the nearest 100, 70. 70 is bigger than 49, so it will get rounded off to the next 100. Nearest 100 will be after 870, 900. So here we round them off as 10,000 minus 870 will be rounded off as 900. And when we do subtraction in the rough column, we get the answer as this is going to be 10, this is going to be 9, and this is going to be 0. 10 minus 9 is 1, 9. So 10,000 minus 900 gives 9,100. Now we move on to the second part. They have give a rough estimate by rounding off to nearest hundreds and also a closer estimate by rounding off to nearest tens. So here in one question we are supposed to do two tasks. One is we have to round off to the nearest hundreds, and then we also have to round off the same question to the nearest tens. Okay, that is after rounding off to the nearest hundreds, whatever we get, that we round off to the nearest tens. Let's start. So here, when we round off 439 to the nearest hundreds, we are going to get it as 400 because 39 is smaller than 50, so it will be calculated to the nearest hundreds, that is 400. 334, when we round it off to the nearest hundreds, again 34 over here is lesser than 50, so this will be rounded off to the nearest hundreds, that is 300, nearest 0. And then 4317. So here again, when we see 17 is smaller than 50, so here this will be rounded off to the nearest 0, that is nearest hundreds, 4300. And now we can add this all numbers in the rough column, 400, 300 and 4300, we write like this so that we add them properly. 3 plus 3, 6 plus 14, carry 1, so this gives us 5,000. Now what we are going to do next is the same question we are going to write again, that is 439 plus 334 plus 4317. Now the same question we are going to round off to the nearest tens so that we get a closer estimate of the answer. So here we can see that 9 is bigger than 4. Okay, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, we round off to the next tens. So after 39, 30, the next tens is 40. So 440. Then 334, 4 is between 1 to 4. So this we round off to the nearest 0. So that is 30 only. 334 is rounded off as 330. And 4317, this 7 is bigger than 5. So therefore we round it off as 20. 1 tens will be rounded off as 2 tens because this is bigger than 5. So 4320. And then we add all of these in the rough column, 440, 330, and then we have 4320. We write it systematically so that there is no confusion while we do addition. 4 plus 3, 7 plus 2, 9, 3, 3, 6, 4, 10, carry 1, 4 plus 1 is 5. So here we get the answer as 5090. Now again, we do the same thing with this question also. First we round off to the nearest hundreds. So when we have to round off to the nearest hundreds, 1,08,000 as it is. 34 is less than 50, so it will be rounded off to the nearest 0. So 7 hundreds will be 7 hundreds only because 34 is lesser than 50. Then 47,599. I am writing 47,000 as it is. After 599, the nearest hundreds will be 600. And then when we are doing subtraction, we can do the subtraction in the rough column so that we do not get any wrong answer. So here when we do subtraction, 8 minus 7, 1, 10 minus 4, 6. We get it as 61,100. Then again we copy the same question as it is. And after copying the question, now we have to round it off to the nearest tens, which again is very simple. We have to just apply basic logic. So here we see 4. 4 is between the range 1 to 4. So therefore this 3 tens will be as it is, 3 tens. So 1,08,730. Then 47,599. So again when we go to convert it into the nearest tens, so your 9 is bigger than 5. 5 to 9, we take the next tens. So the next tens will be after 5. Next tens after 59 will be 60. So therefore we are taking it as 600. So now when we do the subtraction, 1,08,730 minus 47,600. 3 minus 0 is 3, 7 minus 6, 1, 8 minus 7, 1, 10 minus 4 is 6. 61,130. Here we can do also one more logic, that is they have given 599. So here this is bigger than 5, so here do plus 1. So when we do plus 1, we get it as 60. So we write it as 47,006. This we round it off to the nearest hundreds, nearest tens. Now we move on to the next examples. Some more examples. So here they have given two more examples, which again we have to round off to the nearest hundreds and then to the nearest tens. Okay. So here when we round off to the nearest hundreds, so 2568. 568 is bigger than 499. So we round it off as 600, the nearest hundreds. 364. Again, this one when we have to round it off, 364. So here I see that the 64 is bigger than 50. So therefore I take 364 to the nearest hundreds as 4 hundreds. Okay. And then when we do subtraction in the rough column, we get it as 2200. Then we do it by rounding off to the nearest tens. So again I will be writing the whole question. The question is 2568 minus 364. So here again when we see 2 and 5 I write as it is, and then here 8 is bigger than 5. So here this 8 is bigger than 5, we round the 6 tens to the nearest tens as 70. Minus 364, this 4 is between 1 to 4, so therefore this 6 tens will remain as it is, 6 tens, that is 60. And then we do subtraction in the rough column, 2570 minus 360. 7 minus 6, 1, 5 minus 3, 2210. Rounding off is very simple, it just requires basic logic. Like here, we have to round it off to the nearest 100s. So here when we see, when we have to round it off to the nearest hundreds, so here we see that 770 is between 500 and 999. So we take the next tens. So when we take the next value, so after 9,000 the next value will be 10,000. So we round it off as 10,000. 258. Here again this we have to round it off to the nearest hundreds. So this 58 comes in the range 50 to 99. So we can round off 200s to the next nearest hundreds, that is 300. So this will give you 10,300. Now I copy the question again, 9,770 plus 258. And now we have to round it off to the nearest tens. So now when we have to round it off to the nearest tens to get a closer estimate, so here you can see already the question given is 0. So here the nearest tens of 9,770 will be 9,770 only. And the nearest tens, this number 8 is between 5 and 9. So here for in place of 5 tens we add one more tens. The nearest tens 58, 59, 60. So the nearest tens is 60. And then when we add in the rough column 9,770 plus 260. 7 plus 6, 13, 7, 1, 8, 2, 10, 21, 9, 1, 10. So it gives us 10,030. So you can see 10,300 is farther as compared to 10,030. It is a closer estimate. Now we do multiplication where we estimate the following products using the general rule. So here we are going to follow the general rule. So 578 will be rounded off to the nearest hundreds. So here when I see 78 is between the numbers 50 and 99. So we convert hundreds into the next nearest hundreds. 500's nearest hundred will be 600 because now 78 is bigger than 50. Multiply by 161. Again we see 61 comes in this range of 50 to 99. So we round off 100s to the nearest hundreds as 200. And the multiplication we can do orally also. 6 2s will give you 12. 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros copy. Otherwise, we can do the normal method which we have been doing from our childhood, that is 600 multiplied by 200. 0 zeros are 0. Okay, when we write 0, because 0 is in tens place, and 0 zeros are 0, 6 are 0. Then we write 2 zeros because 2 is in hundreds place. So 2 zeros are 0, 2 zeros are 0, and 2 6 is 12. And by this method, when you do addition, you will get the same answer what we have got by solving it wordily. Now the next question is 5281. So here also what we do is we convert it to the nearest thousands here, because 5 is in thousands place. So here you will see 281 is between 1 to 499. So therefore 5000 will be rounded off to the nearest thousand as 5000 only, no addition, because it is in the range 1 to 499 where we go to the nearest zeros. 5000's nearest is 5000. Now here they have given us 3491. So now when we see this 491, this 491 is very close to 500. So therefore what we do is, in this case we round it off to the nearest hundreds. So when we do it to the nearest hundreds, so 491 nearest hundreds is 500. So we get the answer as 3500. We are doing it in this manner so that we get a closer answer. And then multiplication, in shortcut if we want to do, we can just multiply 35 by 5. Okay, 5 5 are 25, 5 3 are 15 to 17. And then we add the number of zeros what is given in the question. That is one way. Otherwise what we do is we do the normal method as we did the previous question. Okay, 3500 multiplied by 5000. Anyways we do, the answer would be the same. Okay, now we move on to the next question. Next question is, again they have asked us to do the same task, that is estimate the following products using the general rule. So that is we round it off to the nearest thousands or hundreds or tens so that we get a closer answer. Now here they have given us 1291. So here what I do is I am rounding it off to the nearest hundreds so that I get a correct answer, nearby answer. So here what I do is 1291. If I have to take it to the nearest hundred, so when I see this 91, that is between 50 and 99. So therefore our hundreds 2 will go to the nearest hundreds, that is 300s. Because 91 is closer 291 is closer to 300 as compared to 200. Therefore 1300 is the basic rounding of 592. If I see this and if I try to round it off to the nearest hundreds, so I see that 592 is between 500 and 999. So therefore this gets converted to the nearest hundreds. So here the nearest hundreds is 600. We can also, here we will see that the number 92 comes between 50 and 99. So the nearest hundreds from 92 will be 600. So 592 is rounded off as 600. And here again 13 6 are 78 and you copy zeros as it is. Otherwise we can do the normal multiplication which we have been doing from our childhood. That will also be giving us the same answer. Now here 9250. Here I am rounding it off to the nearest thousand so that the answer will be closer to the correct answer. The estimate will be closer. So here when I see 250, this falls in the range of 1 to 499, which means 9 will be rounded off to the nearest zero. Nearest thousand is 9000. Multiply 29 will be rounded off to the nearest tens. So when 29 is to be rounded off to the nearest tens, what I see is 9 is in the range of 5 to 9. So therefore we take the next tens. We take the next tens. Next tens is 30. So 29 is closer to 30. The rounding off will be done as 30. So now 9 threes is 27 and we copy 4 zeros from the question as it is. Otherwise the normal multiplication what we have been doing from a childhood, that was also work. Now we have to do some more examples. So here I have taken as 85 multiplied by 413. Now what I would do is 85, there you can see the greatest place is ones and tens. So this I will be rounding off to the nearest tens. So when I round off 85 to the nearest tens, you can see in units place we have 5. Therefore the nearest tens will be the next tens. After 8 tens, the next tens is 90. Multiply by 413. The greatest place over here is hundreds. So this I round off to the nearest hundreds. So this 13 is between 1 and 49. And hence when I take it, it will be go to the nearest zeros. So the nearest zero from 4, the nearest hundreds is 400. Now 9 fours is 36 and you add the zeros as it is copying from the question. Otherwise you can do the normal multiplication which we have been doing from our childhood. Now here 8 is having only one digit, so this 8 will be rounded off to the nearest tens. So 8 is closer to 10 as compared to 0. So this will be rounded off as 10. Then we have 698. Now this will be rounded off to the nearest hundreds because ones, tens, hundreds. Hundreds is the greatest place. So 98, when you see 98 is between 50 and 99 and it will be rounded off to the next hundreds. Okay, so the next hundreds after 600, the next 100 is 700. Now 1 7 is 7 and we copy the zeros as it is. Otherwise we can do what we have been doing in our childhood. But I would rather suggest to do smart work rather than just wasting time. Our precious time in doing those solutions which we can easily get the answer for. Now we are going to see some more examples. So now more 2 examples are to be done and then this exercise is completed. And I hope it was fun for everyone and it was easy for everyone. 896, here you see the highest place value is 100, we rounded off to the nearest hundreds. 775, the highest place value is hundreds, we rounded off to the nearest hundreds. Let's start. So here you can see 896. So this 96 comes in the range of 50 to 99. So therefore 896 will be rounded off to the nearest hundreds. So after 800, the nearest hundred is 900. Similarly, 775. 75 also comes in the range of 50 to 99. So we go to the next hundreds. So after 700, the next hundred is 800. Now 8 nines is 72 and we copy all the 4 zeros as it is, which makes our job very, very easy. Here you can see 953. 9 is in hundreds place, so we round it off to the nearest hundreds. 397, again 3 is having hundreds as the highest place value. We round it off to the nearest hundreds. So now when we go to C53, it comes in the range of 50 to 99. We round it off to the next hundreds. Then again if you see 97, that also comes in the range 50 to 99. We round it off to the next 100. So here 900s, the next 100 will be 1000. 300s, the next hundreds will be 400, rounding off. 1 4 is 4, 1 2 3 4 5 zeros as it is. So this completes our exercise and this whole chapter. Hope you all enjoyed. Thank you and meet you all in the next video. Hope you enjoyed this lesson. Please like, share and subscribe to Shruti's online school. Your subscription really matters to me. Don't forget to press on the bell icon to be alerted for new videos. See you in the next lesson. Bye.